This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles for one person. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter ready. These precise measurements ensure a perfect single serving every time. Now let's mix our batter. In a medium bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate, smaller bowl, lightly beat the egg, then stir in the milk and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Finally, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and actually preferred for a tender waffle. It's time to cook. First, preheat your waffle iron to a medium-high setting. While it heats, you can lightly grease the plates with cooking spray or a brush of oil to prevent sticking. Once hot, pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared batter directly into the center of the waffle iron. Close the lid and cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the waffle is beautifully golden brown and crisp. Your delicious single-serving waffle is ready. Carefully remove it from the waffle iron using a fork or tongs. Serve it immediately while it's warm and crispy. Top it with your favorite syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or whatever your heart desires. This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast or a delightful treat just for you. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about managing your money, along with other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.